Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram login problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, it will take you directly into this page where you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is scroll until you find the Instagram app, or you can just search for it here on this search bar. Click on Instagram and then click on this force stop to stop running it, and then go down. You will find this storage or the internal storage option. Click on it, click on clear data, clear cache, go back and then open the data usage option, and now scroll, and then you have to make sure that the mobile data and the Wi-Fi are enabled, and then disable the background data like this. Now you have to make sure that the background data and the roaming data are disabled. Last thing you want to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.